Hi guys, it's Neesyraychelle and welcome back to another video. So today's video is clearly a try on haul. It is a mini try on haul because I did want to try these products out and give my first impression of this new company. So the company I will be reviewing today is Nude. And I only got a few pieces, again literally just a few pieces, because this is a new company and I did want to try out how well the material was and how the clothing fit to the body, especially my curvy girls, because I am a curvy girl. So if you want to know more about this company, Nude, stay tuned and keep watching. So these leggings are called the All of You See Me leggings, and they are literally torn all the way through, so like all the way down, and they do come to my ankles. Of course I'm gonna like put that here as well, but that's these. They do stretch. I'm sure I got a large because it's me. I'm sure I got a large, but this is how they fit. They do have good stretch in them. I was able to get them all the way up without any issues. The only thing is these are holes. So just be careful when you're putting them on, not to get your toe caught or anything like I did. And also like not getting your nails snagged or caught in them as well, because I believe you will tear them if you do that. So this is the first item that I got. Y'all see my weight coming down, right? And I did leave the tag on all my items because this is legit my first impression and my first time trying them for you all. My immediate thought is also like what y'all are getting as well. So this is like first impression right on the camera. So that's the first thing I got. I only got a few items because, you know, new company, trying to try it out. Okay, so your girl don't know what she was thinking when she bought this because I'm hot. I'm these lights, I ain't got a fan on, it's hot. But this is the white turtleneck smooth cotton dress. It is just that, a white turtleneck smooth dress, and it's actually very comfortable. But can I show you? Like, it stops literally where the camera ends. So like I have on right now, I most likely will put on like some bicycle shorts or something up under it, so y'all don't, you know, get a sneak peek. And yeah, I don't wear turtlenecks. I don't know what enticed me to buy this, because I feel like I'm being choked and I don't like that. But besides, you know, my personal like how I feel, it's a super cute dress, mini dress at that. It would be perfect for like date night, or you know, going out with your girls on a cool night. We have been having some cool nights here in Florida, so like I see it happening. But right now with these lights and stuff, I'm dying. Okay, your girl is not making it. But so this is the second thing I got. Again, these are my first impressions of the clothing. The stretch is good. Like, it's literally made for curvy girls. Like, everything that I put on, I don't feel like I'm being confined to an outfit. So definitely a plus. Nude is doing their thing with this. So I have one more item to try on for you all. I'm gonna leave the dress on because it's kind of how she had it styled on the website. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, so this is the tan French coat. It does come down past my knees. Um, it is oversized. So like, if you look at the pictures on the website, hers is also a little big. But it does have pockets, so definitely would wear it like that. It, y'all, this one's not giving what I wanted from it. It's cute, but it's not like, oh yes, like I love this. And maybe it's because I don't know. It's alright. It could definitely, and maybe I just have to like style it better. But right now I'm not like feeling it that much. Yeah. But it is comfortable. It fits. Perfect for this time of year, especially if you live in a cooler area. But for your girl, it's kind of like not really giving what I wanted to give. But do a full thing so y'all can see. And like I said, it has pockets, so you do get some pockets. It has a tie, so you can tie it up, and you know, I make it work. Like I can finesse it, but like if you're not real into like, if you're more of a person that needs the outfit to already come how it needs to be, I wouldn't recommend this for you. If you're someone who can take anything and make it work, then yeah, go for it. Cause that's what I'm gonna have to do. Cause it's not it's not giving. But those are the items I got. Again, I did not get a lot of items because I really want to test this out. So this is like a true like trial of the product before I just go and spend all the coin on the website. So that is it for my video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that this kind of give you a little insight on the brand Olive and Nude. I will tag their Instagram down below as well as the website, so y'all can go check it out and whatnot. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And your girl will see you in the next video.